How to speed up a video on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, you need to download InShot app or any editing app. Simply click on video, then select your video from gallery. After you're done, click on it and scroll all the way to the left and you'll find speed option. To increase speed, you need to swipe white circle to the right. And in this way, you can speed up video on Android. After that, you can simply click on export on top right corner of your screen. Export the video you want as your speed. This is how to speed up a video on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.